Okay, good morning. It's Monday morning, and we're going to start off with doing Origo 6.5. And we are doing a word problem, a story problem. And I'm going to practice one, and then we will go through and I'll give you a journal entry. So it says here, the Bay City Tigers need to buy 25 pairs of shorts. Okay, and how could we calculate the total cost of shorts? Okay, so I'm underlining those important details, and I see I've got helmet, I've got a shirt, I've got pants or the shorts, and I've got socks. So basically, I've got three things that I don't even need to worry about, and so that's extra information. But there are my shorts, and we are going to be figuring out how many pairs 25 would be. Now, some of us, we might be thinking, oh, I'm going to be adding 38 25 times, and that's a lot of work. And so we're going to be working on doing this with the array method. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. It's going to be messy. Okay. And I'm going to be, basically, I am multiplying 25 times 38. Okay, and like what I've been talking to you about, we're going to be splitting those numbers into place value. So up at the top, and it doesn't matter which way I do this, I'm going to be splitting up 25 into 20 and 5. And then over on the side, I'm going to be splitting up 38 into 30 and 8. 30 and 8. And then I'm just going to multiply those four numbers. So the first I'm going to start off is 20 times 30. So I know that 2 times 3 is 6. Whoops. Okay. And I can see I have a factor there with a 0. So I need to have there. And then I need to have another factor that has a 0. And I have so it has 600 because I've got 2 zeros in my factors, so I need to have 2 zeros in my product. So 20 times 30 equals 600. Then I'm going to multiply 30 times 5. I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So my product of 30 times 15 has to be 150. And there my zeros are equal. I've got a 0 in the factor, so I need to have the same number of zeros in the products. Okay, now I'm going to multiply 20 times 8. I know that 2 times 8 is 16. I keep on, sorry about all those stray lines, kids. So I know that 20 times 8 is going to be 160. And then I need to do my last 2 multiplications, which is 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 is 40. Then, if you guys remember, I need to add all of these up. Okay, so I could stack all 4 of those numbers, and I think I will. Oops, let me just erase that. That's just kind of messy. Whoops, hello, Ms. B. All right, let's get that. We've still got that. Okay, so I'm going to have 600 plus 150. Noticing I'm doing the best I can of getting my place values lined up. And I'm just checking my time here. Okay, and then I'm going to add my 40. Okay, well, if we can see, if we add our ones, we just have 0. Okay, but then I see a 6 and a 4 is a 10, plus 5 is 15. So I'm going to put my 5 down there. Whoops, hello. And then my 1 up above. And then I've got 100, 600, 700, 800, 900. And so the cost of those shorts is $950. Okay, so let's see, do we have another one here? Yeah, and we can see we have it right here. 20 times 30 is 600, 20 times 8 is 160, 5 times 30 is 150, and 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, so this should be feeling, after this practice doing this type of multiplication, this should be feeling like, I got this, Ms. B. So here is our journal. Okay, so I've got, today's date is the 4th of May. It's Origo 6.5, so I'm going to want you to write that in on your math journal. And then I would like you to write down this question. Remember, you can pause the video and write it on down. And let's look what we're going to be doing. It says Chris is concreting a path. So the path is 8 yards long. Let's put 8 yards long, okay, and 2 yards wide. He figures out that the concrete will cost $35 per square yard. How much can he expect to pay? Solve using the array method. Okay, so let's see if I can do this here. I'm going to have, so no, I can't draw. I haven't figured out how to draw on this. Not yet. Let's see if I can do that. Nope. Okay. So kiddos, what you're going to be doing is that you are going to be creating an array. And think about this. Think of a rectangle. Okay. So Chris is concreting a path. It's 8 yards long, 2 yards wide. So we got to figure out that area. Okay. And then each square yard is going to be $35. So how much would it cost to concrete this area? Okay, so what I want you to do is I'd like you to write down this problem, and then I would like you to draw me a picture and then show me the math for this. Okay, if you have questions, you can always send me a message. All right, that is our math lesson. Have a good day.